Good morning, students. Welcome back to our online class. And for today's lesson, we are going to learn about the continuity of existence. Under this topic, we also learn about the three jewels, the threefold training, and the three admonitions. Okay, so again, we have the three jewels, the threefold training, and the three admonitions. Now let's start about the three jewels. Okay, so we have the translation here, right? Okay, what are the three jewels? For that, let's have our vocabularies. Number one, we have the word existence. Again, existence. E-X-I-S-T-E-N-C-E. Existence. Okay, next word we have the word evolve. Again, evolve. E-V-O-L-V-E. Evolve. Third word, we have the word individual. Again, individual. I-N-D-I-V-I-D-U-A-L. Individual. The last word, we have the word refuge. Again, refuge. R-E-F-U-G-E. Refuge. Okay, so here we have the points to discuss. After this lesson, we are going to answer these following questions. Number one, what is the meaning of parinirvana? Again, what is the meaning of parinirvana? Number two, we only have two questions. What are the three jewels? Again, what are the three jewels? Okay, ready? Now, when the Buddha died at the age of 80, his chain of existence is said to have broken, and he entered parinirvana. When you say parinirvana, which means he ceased to be individual, right? So his existence is already stopped. Okay, so soon after his death, his followers evolved or made the three jewels, which form the basic profession of faith for Buddhists. So we have the three jewels. First, I go for refuge to the Buddha. Okay, so we have a translation here. Number two, I go for refuge to the doctrine. Okay, doctrine. And the third one, I go for refuge to the order. Okay, again, we have the Buddha, the doctrine, and the order. So these are the three jewels: Buddha, doctrine, and order. Now this time, let's learn about the threefold training. We have the translation here. Okay, so here we have another vocabularies. First word we have virtue. Virtue. V-I-R-T-U-E. Virtue. Okay, next we have the word persevere. Persevere. P-E-R-S-E-V-E-R-E. Persevere. Okay, so we have the translation. Third, concentrate. Again, concentrate. C-O-N-C-E-N-T-R-A-T-E. concentrate. The last one, we have the word threefold. Again, threefold. 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 Now let's continue. Okay, first we have higher virtue. It simply means this aims to improve one's behavior. Again, this aims to improve one's behavior. Okay, we will learn about that later. Number 2, higher mind. Higher mind. Okay, this is about training the mind to concentrate and persevere. And the last one, we have higher wisdom. Higher wisdom. This aims to develop the right understanding, that is, the ability to see things as they really are. Is it familiar? Yes, it's familiar because the teaching of the Four Noble Truths concludes the Noble Eightfold Path in itself. So the components of both can be mapped to this threefold training as follows. Okay, so in other words, Noble Eightfold Path and threefold training are the same. Okay, so let's see. So here we have the threefold training, right? What are those again? First, we have virtue. Second, we have mind. Third, we have wisdom. Okay. Now, on the other side, we have the Eightfold Path. When we say virtue, that is all about right speech, right action, and right livelihood. Okay? So this is about virtue, right speech, right action, and right livelihood. Now, how about the mind? Okay, higher mind. When we say higher mind, okay, we should have the right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration. Remember? Mind, higher mind, right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration. So we need these three so that we can have a higher mind. Okay? Concentration. It's like meditation. Yes? Now, wisdom. Okay, so to have a higher wisdom, we should learn to have right views. Okay? Right views and right intentions. So, in other words, threefold training and eightfold path are equally the same. Okay? Very good. Now let's continue. Okay, so this time, let's learn about the three admonitions. Again, the three admonitions. Alright, so here we have the Dhamma. Okay, when we say Dhamma, in other words, that means cosmic law and order. Don't forget, Dhamma is about cosmic law and order, which is considered the heart of the Buddha's teaching. Okay, is the three admonitions or precautions or warning. The Buddha preached this on the full moon night of the third lunar month. Or what is the full moon night of the third lunar month? That is called Magha Puja Day or Makabucha Day. So Remember when they gathered together with his monks? So this is the teaching that Buddha shared or preached to his people, the three admonitions, or we can call it the Dhamma. Okay, don't forget, the Dhamma is the heart of Buddha's teachings or the main teaching of Buddha. This is also known as three admonitions. Okay, so what are these? Okay, now we have the three principles of practice for the peaceful living. So these are the three admonitions. So now Buddha intentionally made these principles so that people will have a peaceful living or peaceful life. Number 1, avoid all evil. Okay, so the first thing here, Buddha said, we should avoid all evil. Leave all bad thoughts, bad words, bad actions, and bad habits. So, Buddha encouraged us not to do bad things, bad words, bad thoughts, and bad habits. Understand? Now, number 2, do all good. Okay, when you say do all good, it means do well and be good through thoughts, words, and actions. Okay? Number 3, purify the mind. Okay, it simply means keep your mind pure and clean. That is why Buddha also encouraged us to meditate, right? To keep our mind pure and clean. Okay, we should not think bad things to others. Okay, so that we can have a clean and pure mind. Okay, a peaceful mind. Now let's recap. What are the three admonitions? First, avoid all evil. Second, do all good. And the third one, we have purify the mind. Understand? Okay, very good. Now this time, let's have a quiz. Are you ready? Okay, number 1. What is the meaning of Parinirvana? Okay, yes, very good. When you say Parinirvana, it means he ceased to be an individual. Okay? Or in other words, when someone is already dead. Okay? Number 2, what are the 3 jewels? Remember, what are the 3 jewels? The Buddha. Second, doctrine. The last one, or the third one, order. We have Buddha, doctrine, and order. BDO. Buddha, doctrine, and order. So those are the 3 jewels of Buddha. Alright, so here we have another questions. Okay, so this question, we only have 2 questions here that you have to answer in your notebook. So after answering this activity, I want you to send that in our line group. Are you ready? Okay. First, what is considered the heart of the Buddha's teachings? Okay, I want you to answer that here. So we have the first question. All right, second. When did the Buddha preach the 3 admonitions? When did the Buddha preach the 3 admonitions? Okay, so I want this answer here. So we only have two questions, right? Number one and number two. Okay, so please answer that. Take a photo and send your work in our line group. Okay, good job everyone. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Goodbye.